Friends and family, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm about to show you how I make my whipped shea butter and all of the other ingredients that I put into it to enhance the benefits for your skin, your hair, and your overall health. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Shea butter has a lot of key properties that is good for skincare. Moisturizes skin. It treats acne and blemishes, reduces skin inflammation, anti-aging, anti-free radicals. It provides relief to itchy and burning skin, restores the elasticity in your skin, reduces razor inflammation and bumps after shaving. It reduces stretch marks. So this is raw shea butter. As you can see, it is not something that's going to be easy to use. So you have to find a way to use it. Some people will melt it. If you melt it under direct heat, that's not good because it does change the consistency of shea butter. It becomes more oily, becomes more greasy as opposed to moisturizing. Some people will just put it in a warm place. It does soften up a little bit, but it is still not as easy to take and spread on your skin, you know, when you want to use it. I prefer to use it in as raw and organic a form as I can. So in this video, I'm showing you how to prepare your shea butter in a whipped form that makes it so easy to use and how to enhance the properties of it as well. So this is my shea butter that I'm going to use. I'm going to use all of this. I got this from Ghana. It is nice and soft, organic of course, and I'm going to put it in my food processor. I'm adding all my other ingredients, Blackseed Oil, Castor Oil, Jojoba Oil, and I'm going to blend all that in addition to Emu Oil, Frankincense, Rosemary, Lavendar, and Myrrh. So I'm adding moringa oil as well. This is a whole list of ingredients to go ahead and infuse into my shea butter and make it more potent and more beneficial for my skin, hair, and for everything. And I'll explain the properties of all of these ingredients later in the video, so you will know why I am adding all of these. Now, for frankincense and myrrh, the reason why I'm adding those are because the wise men back in the day brought frankincense and myrrh to Jesus when he was born as a gift. And so that's really the reason why I chose them. But I went back to look and research the properties of these two essential oils, and they were amazing. So like I said, later in the video, I'm going to explain to you all the properties of these ingredients. For this time, I decided to add some organic cocoa butter as well. I don't always add it because it makes the mixture a little bit lumpy, which means I have to process it or blend it for a longer time. But it's okay. I just decided I've had it for a while. Let me go ahead and add it. It is harder to cut though. It is really tough to cut. So as you can see, I've blended it a few more times, but now I have a nice, beautiful, smooth mixture. Right here, it's really soft, and as you can see, it's sort of gotten a yogurt kind of consistency. So this is what I use for really everything: skin, face, body, hair. If somebody has a wound, you slap it on. As you can see, even with all the oils that I added, I'm going to show you right here. This is the leftover that I did the previous batch. It is not greasy at all. So you're going to see me rub it between my fingers right there. And I have just taken a shower, so I have nothing on my skin right now. So I'm going to rub it right there on my arm. And you can see it is not greasy at all, and it absorbs really quick. So right there in 3 seconds, look at my skin, nice and supple. So this is the finished product. It is just very nice and creamy and light, right? So jojoba oil has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces redness caused by drying, eases the effects of eczema and rosacea. It has vitamin E and B complex in there. So those are extremely amazing for your skin. But it's also light. So when you mix it with shea butter and all the properties that shea butter has, it's a win-win situation. Frankincense has antiseptic, disinfectant, astringent, properties. It's also good for digestive system. It is also good as a diuretic. It's also good as an expectorant, and it's also good as a sedative. It is a tonic. It is good for your urinary system and helps reduce stress. It boosts your immune system. It fights cancer. Yes, topically through the skin, it fights cancer. It also promotes skin health and good memory. So let's look at the benefits of myrrh, which I also add into my shea butter mix. Myrrh helps to kill harmful bacteria, microbes, and parasites. Good for oral health and also heals skin sores. Myrrh also helps to ease pain and swelling. Blackseed oil is another ingredient that I put in my shea butter mix, and that has a whole lot of properties. I can't even get into all of it, but I have a video on blackseed oil that you should take a look. I hope I remember to put the link in here so that you guys can see it. But really quickly to summarize the benefits of blackseed oil. It improves topically, it actually improves your skin. As it gets into your blood and as you ingest it, you can also ingest that internally. It is good for treatment of cancer and diabetes as well. Lavender has a whole host of properties. One of the main ones is it actually soothes you, calms you down. It's good for your mood, makes you a more pleasant person. It helps combat fungus growth, and it actually also promotes healthy hair growth. Rosemary is an anti-inflammatory compound. It improves digestion. It enhances memory and concentration. It provides neurological protection. It prevents brain aging. It helps to treat cancer. It helps protect against macular degeneration. Castor oil, I'm going to talk about the topical aspect of it, not the internal, because I know it's a laxative and everything, but on the topical aspect, it reduces acne. It fights fungus. Castor oil also keeps your hair and scalp healthy. Moringa oil has powerful anti-aging properties, and it's among the most appreciated benefits of moringa oil. They protect your skin against free radicals, reducing the visible signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. It is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and can help improve acne-prone skin. Benefits of Emu Oil are just amazing. It's a great moisturizer. As you can see, most of the ingredients that I picked are good moisturizers. It prevents skin aging rapidly. It helps heal wounds, scars, and skin damage. It helps repel bugs, and it is good for hair and nail growth. So as you can see, my concoction is really medicinal. So when my husband goes and does his tattoos, they give him that petroleum jelly based product to put on, the tattoo and wrap it in cling film. But he has noticed that when he uses my shea butter mix and puts that on the tattoo and wraps it with a cling film, he actually heals faster and better. We know that our skin is the biggest organ, right? That's our largest organ. Everything you put on your skin seeps into it, and it's absorbed directly into your bloodstream. So you have to be very careful the products that you put on your skin. So all these things that we're mixing into this shea butter, we're not mixing it just to have a good scent or whatnot. We want to make sure that it benefits our skin and our health as a whole. My family and I have used it for many years, and as you can see, my skin is fantastic. So thank you again for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.